Hello all, this is Bade from Voltronix. Today I am going to explain you the water conditioner, which is a water softener product by us. This is the brochure which will be also attached in the link below. So these are the three models of water softener. This is 1 inch, this is 1.5 inch and this is 2 inch. I'll just unbox it and show you how it is. This is a box, contains the warranty card like this. Warranty is 2 years and the life is more than 15 years, and this is the brochure which will be accompanied in the box, and I'll just keep it aside. So this is the water softener. The technical word is water conditioner. If you just see, there are threads on either side and this is a clear through pipe. This is a stainless steel 304 pipe with the 304 enclosed housing of stainless steel, and this is completely enclosed. Nobody can pull out anything. There is no maintenance, there is no servicing to be done. This is the best part about softeners, that when the water passes through this pipe, if you can see, it's a clear pipe. The threads which can be attached by any plumber all over India, worldwide. There are just two FTAs to be attached on both sides, which is female thread adapter, and then you can place an union for the convenience to connect by the plumber. Now if you see, when the water passes from this side and then when it passes through the pipe, it is softened, and the process by which it is done by the magnets, and these are permanent magnets. You don't need any electricity. There is no filter to be changed. There are no other processes like adding chemicals, adding salt, changing the resins or backwash to the regular system of the softeners which you might be aware of. And this is a one-time cost. It is written on the sticker in this thing. This is affordable to install, no maintenance cost, no chemical process. There is no chemical thing involved. For solar's water heating system, it is the best system, and it has a life more than 15 years. And this is the smallest model, which is a 1 inch model. Now I'll show you the next model, which is 1.5 inch model. It goes like this. This is a bit bigger one. This is roughly around 3 kgs and the length is 18 inches in length, and the diameter is 3 to 4 inches, and the box dimensions are roughly 4 inch by 4 inch by 2 feet. So this is the transporter's dimensions if you want. So this is the 1.5 inch model. If you can see the diameter, there is proper threading on both sides, so there is no expert plumbing required. It is the simplest possible thing to connect. And this is the third model. We have models up to 8 inches. Now again, the box contains these all details like warranty card, manual and all, and this side. And this is the third model, which is generally used. Again, the same process is given here. No electricity required, no chemicals, salt free, and then the threading. So this is a bit longer than the 1.5 inch model. So these are the three standard models which we have, and you can see there are threads on either side, and it is the simplest possible thing. And this is generally connected to 1 inch models are connected to the bathroom inlet pipe, and this fits outside the bathroom where the water pipeline comes and goes in your bathrooms. Like for any high-rise buildings, you might be staying on the first floor or the 50th floor, it doesn't matter. And then 1.5 inch and 2 inch models are if you are having a bungalow or a row house or independent place where we fit it on, say if you have a structure of ground and 2 or ground or 1 or ground, then the overhead tank sits on the top of the building. Correct. We don't fit it to the inlet of the overhead tank. We fit it to the outlet of the overhead tank where the water pipe comes out. So only request from our side is you send a photograph of the outlet pipe and where the dimensions of 1.5 inch or 2 inch whatever or 2.5 inch, it's written on the pipe. So if you send that photograph or a video on our WhatsApp number, it will be very clear, so there is no confusion. And then once you fit it, there is no problem for 15 years. There is no maintenance to be done, and there is no salt addition. So if there is a power failure, then also there is no problem. And if you compare to any other softener, I have been in this industry for last 22 years, and we have been there, done that. So whatever is to be done, we have done that, and I have sold other softeners also, and finally we concluded that these are the best softeners. And please send your inquiries. We will be pleased to do business with you. Thanks a lot.